Hi, welcome back to Fashion Freak. Thank you for joining me. Today, I know you've seen the title, but today's video matches my jacket because it's Forever 21. I went online, I went in store, a bunch of new things, a bunch of sale things, because you know I'm cheap. So before we get started, I would like you to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend, and let's go. So the first thing I got is this amazing windbreaker. I stumbled upon this by accident in the store, and I'm happy I did. It has a hood that rolls up in here. It's paper thin, but it's $12. So for $12, you can't get angry. And I love it. It has two pockets, and then they're like mesh, so don't put a pen in there because it's going to poke out. And it has like this reflective stripe going down the back as well. And then also in the back, it has this like sport femme officials, so official jacket of women, sport jacket of women. So yeah, I love this. I wore it to a day party with like a long, like a cat suit, a gray one, and my white mesh fanny pack. I was hitting. So there's an elephant in the room. My stubby ass nail broke. I wear nails because I have short fingers, and yeah, I don't like this look. This is my natural like length. It's not cute. So we got that out the way. So let's move on. Let's start with in the store because the jacket was in the store, $12. Next thing I got in store was this nice like crop top. Why I like it because it has a bow and it also has this nice keyhole detailing, and this was $9.90. This wasn't on sale, but I think it was worth it because they could have sold this $15 like they usually try to do. This was in white, black, navy, and yellow, bright yellow. Not as bright as this, but not mustard. And I think that's the only, maybe one other, I think maybe pink. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go back and get the black one. This is a cute item. I like that. Tried that on. That'll be in the pop-up. Next item are these jeans. They were also in the sale department. They're flares. And they were $14, but I believe I got them for cheaper, and it's like a nice dark wash, and I plan to wear them with that top maybe, and like if they're high, no, they're not high-waisted, so I can't wear them with that. Cross that out. I plan to wear that top with like this nice woven belt I have, and either black high-waisted jeans or blue, probably light blue, red lip, maybe a bandana, maybe a polka dot shoe or something for that like pin-up kind of look. That's what I was going for with that top. Next item is these, I would say mauve shorts, and I like them. They're stretchy. I didn't try them on yet. I'll try them on somewhere in the try on. They were $7, and this wasn't buy one get one free, but they were there then, but I didn't know. They're not that bad. They're stretchy. They say high waist, so in the trial we'll see, because I have a long torso. No, they come past my belly button, because to me that's my high waist. If you can't see my belly button, if you can see it, I would say that's mid waist. So these are these because yeah, a couple of my shorts bursted last summer because I got chunky. All right, then I just got some basic socks, but I noticed like I had to dig. These are $6.90 and you get 5, and they have no print. I usually get the ones with stripes or polka dots. They're now selling 4 of those, not 5, for $8.90. So it's like $2 more, and I get less socks. So yeah, I just got these. They're off-white because white I believe was $7.90, and I think black is $6.90. So I'll get black because once my socks get a tiny hole, it's kaputski. I throw them out. So those are those. Next item is this. Oh, knit dress. I thought it said rib. It's just this basic black dress because I realized I only have 2 black dresses. A midi one I showed you guys. If you watch my Fashion Nova, go Jane Hall, go watch it. It's in there. It's like tank top strap. And then I have another one that's long sleeve. That's just a basic bodycon. But it's like, it looks acid wash. It's like black, but it's like with gray bleach stain. So like I just, especially because something else I bought in this haul, another jacket or even this jacket, I wanted just to do like a look like this one day. Like, you know, a bright jacket, but something that's complementary to black, but with a plain black dress. So while this neckline isn't my favorite, I prefer like either like racerback style or spaghetti strap, still for 10 bucks, I believe, $11.90. So in America, this would be probably $9.90 or $8.90. It's not bad, but I wish they had a better range of colors. They only had white, black, and gray. And as I have a lot of white dresses and 1, 2 gray, I was like I could have used a red, like maybe a mustard, or I don't know, something exciting, you know, orange. So this is the last item from in store, and it's this, like, it's between a maxi and a midi dress. Like the length, it hits me between my calves. It's ribbed and it's kind of heavy, and I like it because it was on sale. It was like $7 or $8, and but it's kind of loose. It's not really tight fitting, as I'll show you in the try on. It's kind of loose. While it fits me, it doesn't suck onto your bum or your waist. So that's what I like it for like daytime. If you're just doing like a barbecue or casual, you don't, it's not always a point to be sexy. Sometimes you could just chill, you know. So that's why I like it chill. The tags are not on because I wore it the other day with slides, like to the mall, and I just felt so comfortable because it wasn't tight. It was long enough, like it's thick enough so if the breeze kicks up, I'll still be warm, but it's thin enough material that I was good. So I really like it. Okay, on to the last bag. There's paper because I'm re-recording this because I recorded it and it got messed up. Okay, these are the things I bought online. This, the bra top, was the first thing, and the last item that I bought online was this jacket. Let me pull this one off and put this one on. So yeah, this jacket, they had it in, I believe, black like a month ago. I had it in my cart for a while, but it sold, well, I had two. I had both of them. The black sold out, and then they just erased my cart. The tag says $25, but I got this for $10. And on the website, it looked like those thin, like paper, like I have a thin bomber silence and noise that I got from Urban Behavior. I thought it was one of those, just thin, that you kind of more for the spring and the summer, not for any time where it actually gets cold. This actually is kind of thick, like it has padding. On the website, you couldn't, like how they position their models, they don't like open the jacket, and it's not like, let's say like Boohoo, I think in Pretty Little Thing, where you, or ASOS and Pretty Little Thing, where you can watch a video and judging by the video you can tell how thick or thin something is. This, you know, Forever 21, they got straight away, the side, and the back, and I don't know, it just, like even on the arms, it looked thin. You can look it up. If you're in Canada, this jacket is still there, $10. I say jump on it. But I liked it because it was like super bright. So it's like, because I thought it was thin, I was gonna wear it like this season, summertime, with like a romper like this with a tank top and like some shorts or some biker shorts. But nah, it's too thick. This is a jacket, if I'm gonna wear it in the summer season, like right now it's too hot for it. I would have to wear it at night. Or I could bring it with me if I'm staying out from day to night, like at a barbecue, and then wear it later. But I really like it. Like it has a working pocket. It has real pockets here. It has no inside pocket, which a lot of my bombers have that I like, but I like it. Like, and I like it that it's so bright. Like I'm really, if you watch my Pretty Little Thing haul, there's some bright orange. Like I'm here for bright yellow, bright orange. I'm here for it in a shoe or a jacket or a bag, especially when you're wearing like a monochromatic outfit. That shock, I like it. So this concludes the video. I appreciate you watching to the end. Once again, I want you to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and come back next week for more hauls, because until summer I'm just hauling it out because it's summertime. I need more clothes. I need new clothes, as I do purge every year. I purge things that I don't wear or that have broken or whatever. It's like I'm not into it. It's maybe a trend. I purge. So I got a lot of stuff, rid of a lot of stuff last year, so I have to fill holes. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.